If you're an Amazon seller, you already know that one of the most important factors for maximizing your profits is understanding Amazon FBA fees. In today's tutorial, we'll break down the different types of fees you encounter when using FBA and how you can optimize them to improve your margins. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the main types of FBA fees. There are three main categories: fulfillment fees, storage fees, and referral fees. Each plays a key role in determining how much you'll pay Amazon for handling and storing your products. Let's start with fulfillment fees. These fees are for picking, packing, and shipping your products. The fee amount depends on the size and weight of your product. For example, smaller, lighter items have a lower fulfillment fee compared to larger, heavier products. For instance, if your product is under 2 pounds and qualifies as a small standard size item, you'll pay less in fulfillment fees. On the other hand, large items like heavy electronics or oversized home goods may incur higher fees. Next, let's look at storage fees. These fees are charged monthly based on the volume of space your inventory occupies in Amazon's warehouse. Monthly storage fees vary depending on the time of year. In the regular months, the fee is lower. However, during peak seasons like October to December, Amazon charges higher fees due to increased inventory volume. So, it's a good idea to plan ahead and avoid storing too much inventory at Amazon's warehouses during the holidays. Now, let's talk about referral fees. This is a percentage of your product's selling price, and it differs by category. For example, electronics may have a lower referral fee percentage, while apparel might have a higher one. Referral fees are taken directly from the selling price, so you'll need to factor this into your pricing strategy to ensure you're making a profit after Amazon takes its cut.